Hi learners, this is Ritu Tamret and you are watching my channel SAP FICO with Ritu. So in my last video I told you about the company and company code and their configurations I showed you. Also I gave you some explanation regarding these two organizational units. Fine. And so in today's video I will show you the table in which these two organizational units get updated. Actually there are different tables in SAP system. Whatever you are doing in SAP, whether they are configurations or basic settings or anything, whatever we are doing in SAP system, actually they are all getting updated in some or the other kind of tables, and it's quite important for you to have a knowledge about all these tables for the interview purpose. Fine. So let's start. We will go to AC16. So here see the table is T001, or it is given, you can type T001 . So here you give the name of your company code, which is TA01, execute. See here your company code TA01, company name is Tata Chemicals, which we had given in the name field of company code, city Jamshedpur, see here. It's again little bit slow. Why it is not working? So it is working smoothly. You can see Jamshedpur, we saw Jamshedpur, and then country IN, currency INR, and chart of account and fiscal year variant. These two are basic settings which we have till now not done. So as we do this customization of basic settings, then they will also get updated here, and we will again come to this table and we will have a look at here, and then we will find that here chart of account and fiscal year variant also get updated. Fine. So let's go ahead and we can see the company also. Company we had given TA01. If you remember, our the company name is TA01. So this is also updated here, and like that. See, so see here, if suppose and the assignment between, if we assign company code to company, the T code is OX16. Fine. Go to this OX16. Actually I told you how through the path how to go to the assignment part, and how to assign company code to company through paths. I told you in the last video, and this is through the T code I have come to this screen. So go to position, our company TA01. See here, the company, the name of the company is TA01. If suppose we delete this and save, now the assignment between the company and company code has been deleted. Now the system does not know the assignment, I mean the company code is assigned to which company. So the system doesn't know. So see what happens. Again we will go to AC16 TA001, sorry, T001. We will go to our company code. Again see here, see this part, company, now it has become blank. You know, a short while back when we had a look at this part, it was written TA01, the name of the company was written over here. As we deleted that company in the system, in the table also it has been deleted. Okay, so let's go. This is for the creation of new session. This C creates new session. So go to this button. See, a new session has been opened. Now you can go to OX16 once again. Go to our company code, give here the name TA01 and save. So this is very important to know about the company, to know about the tables. This is extremely important. So okay, so see, again we have come here. See, we have given once again we have given the assignment between the company and company code. Again we will go to the table and we will see what's happening. See here, again company TA01 is appearing over here. Fine. So this is what is happening here, and this is how you know, the tables in the SAP system get updated. So this is quite important and we must know about the tables as well. Fine. So for today I will teach you this much. If you like my ways of teaching and my ways of explanation, then please like my videos, subscribe my videos, and subscribe my channel for that matter, and please share with your friends. So in my next video I will teach you fiscal year variant, and that too with full explanation and everything related to that. So till then, bye, and wait for my next video.